My wife's closet is a complete disaster, so today we're gonna give it a makeover. But make sure to wait till the end of this video to see if Emily likes what we come up with. Here's your new closet.
Be so for real right now.
Oh my goodness. I feel like Hannah Montana.
For step number one, I've got to get all of these clothes and this junk out of the closet. I can't believe sometimes she says she has nothing to wear. I swear she's got more clothes than a department store, and this is only one of her closets. And seriously, who needs this many shoes? I don't know if you guys saw this other video I posted. I'll link it above. But I built boot shelves, which takes up an entire wall in one of our spare bedrooms as well. She's got way too many shoes. These wire shelves for closets are horrible, so obviously we have to get rid of these. I hate these heavy textured ceilings, and they're not popcorn, so you can't scrape them. So I'm going to just cover them up with some shiplap. See if we can get this light off. There we go. That's gross. How does a bug even get in there? Yeah, we're replacing this light for sure. I don't love how messy some of my edges are around the shiplap around the room. So I'm gonna take this little trim piece and basically shoot this really thin trim all the way around the room. This next step is one of my least favorite parts, and it's the prep work. I've got to fill all of the nail holes, caulk everything, and then patch and fill all of these holes that are damaged from those wire shelves. Then we'll be ready to paint. So I got the ceilings done, and they look so much better already. I got all of the holes filled in the wall, but this room I feel like needs a fresh coat of paint. And instead of painting it a plain, boring white color, I think I'm gonna paint this entire closet pink, including the ceiling. This could be a huge mistake, but you'll never know until you try. Emily is either going to love it or hate it. Of course, I didn't have a single usable paint roller, so I'm having to brush the entire closet by hand. This is taking way longer than I wanted it to, but hopefully this paint will still look okay. We are gonna cover most of it up. I just ran into my first big problem. I wanted to install our new light fixture so we could actually see what this color of this room looks like. And when I go to install it, I realize the square that was there from the previous light fixture does not cover with our new light. I think I have an idea of what to do to fix this. I just ran to Home Depot and got one of these ceiling medallions. And so if it works the way I want it to, basically this will go on the ceiling, then our light fixture will go just like that. All right, let's see how it looks. Ooh, I kind of like that. I think that looks good. All right, it's day 2 and it's time to get back to work. So in order to hang up this giant center cabinet, I cut some 4x4s at 12 inches just to hold it up in the air while I screw it into the studs. Now it's time to put together some drawers. Well, there we go. I got all of these built-ins from Modular closets because I knew it would be so much better than anything I could come up with. They delivered everything right to my door, and it's been so easy to put together and install. They have everything that you could possibly think of for organization, including these shelves for Emily's shoes. Just a few more cabinets to build, and then we can start hanging them up. I wish it was that easy. Let's get these things installed. Since I'm a man, I don't use instructions like I'm supposed to, and that led to this problem. So this unit is supposed to go up here on the wall next to this one. Problem is, this is supposed to be about an inch that way. I just assumed this big unit right here was supposed to go dead center on this wall, but it turns out on the left side over here, this is 28.5 inches wide and the other side is only 27 inches wide. So learn from me, read the instructions and the layout first before you start hanging cabinets on the wall. I'm gonna unscrew this big one and try to slide it over, and then we should be good to go. Now I've got one more big shelf to hang up on this wall. Oh yeah, that should hold all our clothes. We've got one more shelf to put up on the last wall. Oh. This is really a two-man job. The last step is to hang up all of the clothing rods. Before I show you the finished closet and get Emily's reaction, here is a quick reminder of what this closet looked like before we gave it a makeover. Honestly, it was horrible. There was stuff everywhere. It was such a mess. You could not even walk in there. But here is what it looks like now. I absolutely love the way that this closet transformation turned out, and I think it is perfect for my wife, Emily. This was a super easy and budget-friendly project that only took about 2 to 3 days, and those make the best kind of home renovation projects when you can get something done really quick and easy and cheap, but it still makes for a huge upgrade to your home. I went ahead and got a bunch of Emily's clothes and accessories and staged up the closet. I know that she's probably going to rearrange everything when she gets in here, but it's more of the thought that counts and being able to see the full picture when we get her reaction. I tried to think of all of the detailed parts that Emily normally thinks about, like adding this little round rug in the middle of the closet, which makes it feel like it's its own space. And then I wanted to make sure I had plenty of long dress space on the right side of the closet. I think she's gonna love these ceilings and that new light fixture. There's a place for all of her Western hats, and all of her heels are gonna be displayed beautifully on these shoe shelves that we got from Modular closets as well. This next part I think will be her favorite by far. In the first drawer, I've got these jewelry organizers, and I've organized all of her turquoise jewelry out so she can see it. And there's 2 tiers to this, so she'll be able to remove that top level and then have a lot more jewelry down below. I think she is going to love that. Drawer number 2, I've got all of her hats organized, as well as her bandanas and some of her sunglasses. Drawer number 3, I have some of her belts all rolled out and kind of organized. There may be a better way to do that, but I'll let her deal with that later. And then for drawer number 4, I've got all of her scarves folded neatly in the bottom of that one. I'm gonna get Emily's reaction seeing it for the first time. All right, Emily, the closet's ready. Come look.
I just got a snack.
Always eating sourdough. Here's your new closet.
Be so for real right now.
Do you love it?
Oh! Oh my goodness.
I feel like Hannah Montana.
Do you like the pink ceilings?
You know me so well, baby. Thank you. Will you hold my bread so I can look?
I'll eat it.
Please don't eat it. Oh my gosh. No one would even know that this was the same room that horrific disaster that was called a closet used to be. This is amazing. The hats and the shoes.
I love it. I think it's awesome.
It looks so good. Thank you. It's so much more organized.
Open that top drawer.
Oh. No way.
Lift it up. There's 2 trays.
Oh my goodness. My jewelry has been such a mess for so long. I never even knew I had such beautiful jewelry. This looks like a department store or something. baby.
It's really cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
This was a really fun project.
I cannot believe you did this. What's in the other drawers?
Take a look.
My hats. Oh my goodness. Those look so much better. Those were literally just tossed up on that top shelf.
I don't know how you could find anything in this closet. No wonder you wore the same thing all the time because you didn't know where anything was.
I know. I didn't even know I had this much stuff. My belts. Thank you so much. Those look so good.
This bread is delicious.
My scarves. Those were tossed too. Those were tossed with the hats. Oh my goodness. Everything has a place now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And the rug. That's so cute. I love that. And I love the light.
Me
All
too.
the details are perfect. You did so good.
Well, good. I'm glad you love it.
Thank you. I love it. And thanks for holding my bread.
You're welcome. Well, I think Emily approves of the new closet.
It's perfect.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys on the next one.
Bye, y'all.